All right, so I'm here at the airport ready to board my plane to Lisbon. I've obviously never been before, but I'm really excited because everyone I have talked to has said that Lisbon is phenomenal. I've not heard one negative thing about the city. So I'm excited to run this half marathon. I'm a little beaten up, back's bothering me a little bit, have some, stiff hips and legs, but I know I can get through the race. It should be a good one. The world record holder for the half marathon got his record at this race, so it should be a flat, fast race. So I'm excited to get out there, do my best, see what I can pull out on Sunday, and get to see a new city. So far, Portugal's really cute, or Lisbon is really cute, and they're much more active in the morning than in Spain. I didn't expect to be so many people out at kind of like 9 in the morning, because in Spain it's pretty dead at this time, but like people are getting their haircuts and there's a whole bunch of, cars out and people out. So what a neat little street here that I just found. I don't know if this is like a celebration or a festival, or if it's just normally like this, but... Alright, so that's where my race starts tomorrow, on this bridge here in Lisbon, and it's called the Ponte 25 de Abril, or the April 25th Bridge. And it looks like the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, so that should be really cool, starting the race up there tomorrow. So I have no idea what this is, but it's obviously a super popular tourist attraction. It's really pretty. Looks like some type of castle or palace. But yeah, this is like normal for me. I have no idea what I'm looking at, but it's pretty. I found out what this is. It is the monastery. It's like some famous monastery. Of course, I don't know the history or the story behind it like normal, but this is where I think the race ends, or it goes by here. Online it mentioned this important monastery site thingy as a highlight of the race. So yeah, we'll see this again tomorrow. So this is the Tower of Belem, and it was supposed to be where the Portuguese settlers or explorers left from. That's what I read on Wikipedia 5 seconds ago, so who knows if it's true, but yeah. About Lisbon is there's all this unique tile and art and plates. Like I don't know how to describe it. It's just they have these amazing facades of things everywhere, and like who would have thought? All these languages. I mean, I definitely see some Portuguese, some Spanish, some English, maybe that's Russian. I don't know, but yeah, it's really cool. so I am going up to the very top of this arc. I'm in an elevator right now, and as you can see, but then we climb up a few steps, but this was recommended to me by my friend Liz. Hey Liz! She kind of gave me a list of must-see things in my limited time here, and this was one of them. All right, here we are from the top, and it's a gorgeous view of the city. You can see this way. And there's this random bell that I don't know what it does. And this is the back side of the top of the statue that you can see in the video and the photographs. And then you come out over here and you see the water and the plaza. There's the bridge. I'll be running over tomorrow. Oh, the bell just started ringing randomly. Oh, it's almost 5. Maybe that's why? I don't know. But yeah, it does ring. But that's something over there. Looks kind of like Notre Dame. So this thing is really cool. You press this button, and when it's green, I think it means you can go down because the staircase is so narrow. Well, no lying, because there's someone coming up right now. Oh no, it's red. So yeah, definitely other places could use this. Like all the towers I've gone up and super narrow, and you're like shoving yourself around people. This is a good solution to that. Okay, so I am at St. Jorge's Castle here at the beginning of it, I think at least, and I am sweating. It is hot today, but this is such a cool like castle thing so far, like the ruins. I mean, what's amazing about this castle is the access that you get. How many times have you been in Europe, you know, or really anywhere, I guess, in the US? You go to some tourist attraction and you're shoveled into one tiny room, everything's under plexiglass, you can't really see anything, you can't really get close to anything. This, I mean, I'm walking on kind of the top of this castle right now, and it's definitely loud. There's stairs up here and everything, but you actually get to experience the castle. I just don't think that that happens a lot in other places that at least I've been. It's more of like 5% of the experience. But here I actually feel like I'm at the castle, in the castle. So one of the neat things about Lisbon is the tile work and just the mosaics everywhere. This is the ground. here. And like with addresses, you'll see the numbers in this black tile or whatever this is, stone. And then you see the mosaics and the tiles on the walls. It's really pretty. So here's some example of like the tile mosaics that are just randomly on buildings kind of everywhere around Portugal or Lisbon. So yeah, I just happened to pick, you know, right here. This is just one street I'm walking down. You can see on that building. Also, it's just really cool. So I think this is a parliament building, something governmental. It's a pretty building. But then what's interesting is I don't know what that is down there. There's like tents. I don't know if people are protesting or what's going on down there, but very interesting.